Hello everyone, welcome to kraziisters.
If you are wondering how to make a link tree, then this video is for you. Linktree is useful as it lets you share one link in place of sharing 100 of different links. Also, you can use it at places like in your Instagram bio as you cannot display more than one links there. For example, if you go to the kraziisters Instagram page, you will see we have embedded a Linktree link in there. Here, you can see our various YouTube video links, a link to reach to our Instagram page, and one for landing at our YouTube channel. You can also add links for your shopping websites or stores, or links for your podcasts or sites or businesses you promote. So, let's get started. First of all, we'll go to any search engine and search for Linktree. You click on the Linktree link. If you don't have an account, sign up, or if you have an account, you can go to login and type your username and password. Since I don't have an account, I am clicking on create one. Here you have to choose any username for yourself. Then write your email address followed by a suitable password. And then click the checkbox. Here it says that by creating an account, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions and privacy policy of Linktree. Now you have to write your name in here. After that, you have to select the category which best describes your Linktree. You can choose any category like business, creative, education, entertainment, fashion and beauty, food and beverage, government and politics, health, non-profit, tech, travel or other. I am choosing creative. You can create any subcategory like adult, cosplay, crafts, designer, digital creator, influencer, visual arts or writer. I am choosing digital creator. Since you are not a robot, click on the checkbox and continue. Now you'll get an option to choose various plans. I am continuing with the free plan. However, you can choose any other if you want. Now it will show a thanks for signing up message. After that, you will have to go to your Gmail ID to verify your account. For that, I am opening my Gmail ID in another tab. Here you will see you have received an email from Linktree and click on verify email. The first page that will be shown is this. This one will show how your Linktree page is gonna display. Now we'll be starting by adding a new link. So for the first link, I'm giving the title as YouTube video launch. And then paste the URL of your video. It will only accept if you write the right URL. Then let us choose the thumbnail. First of all, you get the option whether you want to display this video on your Linktree itself or you want to link it off to the YouTube website. For this one, I am choosing display this video on my Linktree. Then you can choose various display options like whether you want it to autoplay or if you want the video to be mute. Now let's move on to choosing the thumbnail. Click on set thumbnail. You can either upload your own thumbnail by selecting any file from your device, or you can also choose icons from the tabular icons. Since my title is YouTube video launch, I am choosing something related to launch which reminds me of rocket. If you want to show the link, then you will keep it open, otherwise you can close it. This will remove the link from your Linktree page. So basically this is to activate and deactivate your link. Now let us add another link. For this, I am giving the title How to Start a YouTube Channel. Since in the previous one I chose to display this video on my Linktree to show you the different option, I am now choosing link off to the YouTube website. Now let's choose the thumbnail as we had chosen earlier. For this, I am choosing the YouTube icon. So you can see both the links have been displayed. Now we'll move on to the appearance tab. You can either design any profile pic via Canva or you can upload it from your device. So I am choosing it from my device. I have chosen this picture and you can adjust the size of the picture or crop it. And then save and upload. You can see our profile picture has been uploaded. Then you have to choose the profile title. By default, it is your username. However, you can change it. Like I am writing kraziisters in there. After that, you can write a suitable bio which describes you. I am writing be crazy, stay crazy, followed by exclamation marks. To make it look a little better, I am also adding some emojis like this sparkle one and the crazy one. You can see your title and bio is displayed. After that, you can choose from various themes like this one, the leaf, the snow, the moon, the bloom, or the spray. I'm settling for the spray one. You also have a couple of different options which are only available for Pro members. So let's move on to the settings. You can activate the sensitive material option if you think that your links or videos contain something sensitive. Since my videos doesn't have anything sensitive, so I am deactivating that button. Now you have the option to show various social links in this social icons like the email, your Facebook page URL, your Twitter handle, Instagram username, or your YouTube URL. There are a number of options right here. You can see that I have given the links for my Instagram, YouTube, and my mail address. You can also choose the placement of the social icons. Like if you click on top, then the social icons will appear above your links, and if you choose bottom, then they will appear below your links. Then move on to the analytics. Here you'll see how many views and clicks are there for your Linktree. If you move on to the upgrade tab, then it will again show you if you want to continue to the free plan or buy a subscription. On the links tab, you can also rearrange your links. Also, by going to the explore links button, which is here in front of the lightning bolt, You can choose from various options like add header, or you can choose to add different kinds of links. I'm adding a header to make my link tree more organized and presentable. I'm giving this header the name top videos. You can also add multiple headers. I am putting the YouTube video launch and how to start a YouTube channel link under the top videos category. And now I am putting the origami pencil link under the crazy crafts header. To share your link tree, go to share and then click on share my link tree too. You can choose to post your link tree to your various social media accounts or copy the link. I am copying the link to another tab to show you how our link tree looks. So you can see our profile picture followed by the title and our description. If you click on the first link, you'll be directed to our YouTube channel as you have chosen. And for the second link, as we chose to show it on the link tree itself, it's showing on the link tree. If you click on the Instagram social icon, you'll be directed to our Instagram page. And the YouTube icon will take you to our YouTube channel. You can click on the mail social icon to send a mail to us. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.